Okay, here we are. We're almost finished with our bark round. Slip one with the yarn in front, bark. Slip one with the yarn in front, brioche knit. Slip one with the yarn in front, brioche knit. Okay, slip one. Because that is how the yarn, that is how this round ends. The bark round ends with a yarn over and a slip one. So this is going to feel familiar to you because you had to do this for the setup round for the light color. You're going to leave this yarn in front. Just leave it hanging in front. I'm going to move my yellow to the left now. This is one of the things that I talk about in my ground rules of brioche knitting, is to just keep your colors separated, and because it's very easy to get overwhelmed by all these little strands, you know. So you finished your bark round with a slip stitch. You're leaving your bark, your knit, your yellow in front. And now you're going to pick up your dark color, your blue. Now, the dark color round starts with the yarn over and a slip stitch. And look, you got one right here, a nice single stitch to be slipped. So you've got your yarn in front, you're gonna slip it, and then you're gonna burp. And that is it. You're doing the burp round now. You're gonna slip one with the yarn in front, and you're gonna burp these two together. Slip one with the yarn in front, burp together. Slip one with the yarn in front, burp together. Slip one with the yarn in front, burp. Now continue this until you get near the end of this round, and I'll tell you what to do and how to transition from the burp round back to the bark round.